Guys, welcome back to Good Show Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to fix unable to install iOS 15 on your iPhone, or you're not able to update it to iOS 15, and how you can completely fix this up. So let's get started. So first step, what you have to do is you just have to go here in the settings. From here you just have to tap on general. From here you have to tap on iPhone storage, and you have to make sure that you're having enough space, because for iOS 15 we need around at least 5 GB space or storage to download this. So it is very important that you're having enough space. If you don't have enough space, you can scroll down. These are the available apps. You can scroll down like this and you can delete unwanted apps from here. Okay, this is what you have to do. So the first step is all about you should be having enough space on your iPhone. So as you can see, the iOS is around 8.81 GB and the system data is 4.2 GB. So I have already updated to iOS 15, and this is the first step what you have to do. Moving on to the next solution is all about, from the general itself you have to scroll down, and from here you have to tap on transfer or reset iPhone. From here you have to tap on reset, and you have to go for reset network settings. Okay, sometimes due to some network issues this can happen, so just go for reset network settings, and once it is done you have to check whether the issue is solved or not. Even after trying the step 2, if it's not working, then we have solution number 3. Solution number 3 is you just have to go to general and you have to tap over here on the shutdown. Okay, you have to tap over here on the shutdown. You just have to slide this to power off so that your phone will be restarted. So here I'll not be doing this up because it is power off. I mean, it will be shut down. So once it is done, you just have to turn it on back, and you'll be able to see whether the issue is solved or not, because I'm not going to do this because we are in the middle of video. So let me cancel this. So this is the step 3. After trying out step 3, even if it's not working, then we have solution number 4. From the general itself, you have to tap on once again on transfer or reset iPhone. Go for reset option once again. Go for reset all settings. Okay, you have to go for reset all settings and see whether the issue is solved or not. After trying out reset all settings, and if it's not still working, then what you have to do is just have to go here over here on the Wi-Fi. Okay, now from here, this is the available Wi-Fi, right? So we are having an issue with the update. You are not able to download or unable to get the iOS 15. So basically or technically the issue will be related to, somehow it will be related to the Wi-Fi. So in that case, what you have to do is, these are the available network which I have connected very recently. So you just have to tap on the eye icon over there. I have to tap over here. So now there is an option called forget this network and low data mode. So what you have to do is just have to go over here on the forget this network. You just have to tap on it and forget this network, and we have to reconnect it back and see whether the issue is solved or not. So after trying out this, even if it's not still working, then you just have to go back to the home screen. From here, what you have to just have to scroll down here on the notification center, just enable flight mode, and you have to wait for around 20 to 30 seconds. Just disable this. Okay, once it is disabled, you have to go to the general over here on the general, tap on the software update and go for the update and see whether the issue is solved or not. So these are the basic methods which will be helping you guys out, and most probably this will be helping you guys. So you just have to check for these methods, and if you have any doubts, do ask in the comment section, so our team will get back to you. See you soon in the next video. Peace out.